Natalie here, aka High Maintenance. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing the products I received in the High Maintenance kit, and this is their December box. They reached out to me because we have similar names, and I'm excited to have received my first natural hair box. I think it's a really awesome idea because you get to try a variety of products and you're not breaking the bank to do so. So yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to see what products came in the December box. The first product I want to talk about is the Juicy Essence Cherry Almond shampoo bar. This I think is my favorite product from the box. The smell is amazing. It literally smells like cherry almond. It smells so good. I was a little kind of weary about the idea of using a shampoo bar because I didn't know how well it would lather and get in my scalp or if it would dry it out. But actually it left me with really, my hair felt really clean, and I felt like it worked really well with the deep conditioner, which I'll talk about next. So yeah, if you're looking in some more natural ways to shampoo and clean your hair, this shampoo bar is a good option. Next, I followed up with Originals by Africa's Best Olive Oil Deep Conditioner. It was thick, it glided on, detangling was a breeze. Let me tell you, detangling was a breeze. That was my favorite part about this product. I really did not use that much. What? And you get so much, and a little goes a long way. So I was very impressed by this product. Go try it out, especially if you're looking for a deep conditioner with a lot of slip. This is it. Next, I'm going to talk about the Originals by Africa's Best Maximum Strength Extra Virgin Olive Oil Moisturizing Growth Lotion. So I used this for my braid out, as you can see. I did it on wet hair. This is the only thing I used. I didn't use any gel or anything, and I'm actually surprised. I do have a lot of frizz, but this is day 5. My hair still moisturized, it's still shiny. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. Even if you don't want to use this alone, it's a good moisturizer. Next, I'm going to talk about the Eye Blossom Organics Growth Oil. This is also another product I was really excited about. It has a ton of oils that I love to use myself already. So it has grapeseed, cold pressed castor oil, rosemary oil, and olive oil. And those are all oils I already use in my hair consistently. Probably going to use this for pre-poo treatments, massaging on my scalp throughout the week, and just adding to my ends after moisturizers. So yeah, if you're looking for an oil mix that's already mixed and it's not anything extra, some oil mixes, it's the oils and then they have all this extra stuff in there that you really can't pronounce. This is just those oils that I named. Now they also sent me a few packs of Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel and her Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. I didn't get to try these out. Probably gonna try these for a wash and go, and I'll probably go live on my Instagram story. So follow me on there if you want to see how the Aunt Jackie's products work in my hair whenever I get to do a wash and go, probably in the next few weeks. And they also sent me this nice Aunt Jackie's little pick, which I did use to pick out my hair a little bit. So yeah, those are all the products I got in the December's High Maintenance kit. If you haven't checked out this kit already, you should definitely look them up. I think they're offering boxes every 2 months or every other month, and you actually have time to use and get used to the products to see how they work on your hair before you're overloaded with a whole bunch of other products. If you want to check out the High Maintenance kit, I'll leave links below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.